Hi viewers, in this lecture we are going to discuss about how to change the host name of a kernel. So to change the host name of a kernel, first of all we should know the host name and its details. We can know them with a command called host name ctl. So this gives you the detailed information about the host name and the kernel and its architecture. Clear? Fine. Once we know the host name has been identified as RKRAJU. Now we'll change this RKRAJU to some other name. So how to change them? The command used to change the host name is type hostname ctl followed by space set minus hostname to, let us say, RKC. Now I am going to exit my terminal. Okay, so before going to exit my terminal, observe my host name. The host name on this terminal is defined as RKRAJU, and I named this RKRAJU as RKC. Now we'll see by closing this terminal. Now again open your new terminal, Control Alt T. Therefore we can conclude that Ubuntu @RKC. Now in this I am going to write a small C program to print your name without using semicolon. How to print a name without using semicolon? Okay, and we'll try to analyze this program in two basic modes, one with C, two with generic C compilation. So the first thing is, here write a program. Let us name the program file name as, okay, welcome .c. So on my editor I am going to type the header file first, hash include stdio.h, and then void main followed by start of the program. Now I am going to print by name. Enter. Let us write welcome to Ubuntu operating system. And the rules are common in both Turbo compiler as well as Ubuntu compiler. Now in this program I have used my semicolon. First of all we'll run this program, save the program by pressing Ctrl S, and then close the program by pressing Alt F4. Now the first compilation C is done with a command called cc space welcome.c, and I can see the output by my execution command called ./a.out. So this is going to execute the executable file of welcome to Ubuntu operating system. So the next way is, let us clear this. The next way of writing a program is, first compile the same program with a generic compiler GCC, which is called generic compilation, followed by the name of the program welcome.c, followed by -o, output this file to some other file. Let us say I'm going to give a name of Kiran. This time execute this file into my generic compilation output file named by Kiran, and you can see that file Kiran also by listing your command ls. When once we achieve the Kiran and executable file, now run this executable file ./Kiran. So this will give you the same information where cc with ./a.out, gcc with user defined name. Therefore the difference between cc and gcc is nothing but cc is called compile the C program, gcc is called generic compile the C program. And the main difference occurs between gcc and cc is, in cc system itself generates a.out as an executable file, and we don't have any right to generate a name as you like. Suppose if I want to generate this executable file with your name, you can go for GCC compilation. Okay, so these are the two methods in which we can run our C program. Now let us learn the same program without using semicolon. Now open your file with gedit followed by file name welcome.c. Now this time I am going to use a if statement which is called the control structure, and I am going to keep this inside my condition of if. I am going to write the entire statement of printf, and after that I'll try to open brace and then close brace, and I'm going to delete my semicolon. So this confirms that in this entire program I have not used a semicolon. Then save this file and execute the file in the same pattern. First pattern is cc space welcome.c. Remember, if I use cc, the executable file is ./a.out. See, similarly if I use gcc, now the executable file welcome.c, let us say -o. You can give any name. Now this time I'm going to give a name called Ramu. Now how to execute this file? ./ram. So both the compilations have executed the same task, but the main difference is in cc we doesn't have any permission to write an executable file with your name, whereas in gcc we have a permission to write and create an executable file with your name. Thank you.